Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You found a pair of Airpods. Start by confirming which model and whether the case holds charge. Inspect the case for a status LED and clean dirt from contacts so sensors work. Power the case briefly to wake the earbuds. This initiates their pairing mode. Once done, verify a nearby iPhone, iPad, or Bluetooth-capable device is unlocked and ready. Make sure you're not near the original owner's device to prevent automatic repairing, and you'll move into active connection steps next. Open the case close to your chosen device. If it's an iPhone, you should see the pairing animation. Tap Connect. If the animation doesn't appear, put AirPods in pairing mode by pressing and holding the case setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED blinks white. Then use Bluetooth settings to select the AirPods and confirm they show as connected. Once connected, test left and right audio, set the microphone preference, and check firmware updates so performance is optimal. Complete setup by testing voice calls and music playback to confirm microphone and sensors work. Make sure both earbuds charge in the case and that the case battery is sufficient. Charge fully if not. If sound is uneven or connection drops, remove the device from Bluetooth, reset the AirPods in the case, and pair again. This resolves most glitches. If you suspect they are lost property, check nearby lost and found procedures, or hand them to local authorities rather than keeping them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.